Now we are in the Structural Element Testing Center. It was established in the year 2001. The Structural Engineering Laboratory requires a large space to incorporate all the facilities needed for advanced research and teaching purposes. This laboratory has an area of 5,750 square feet and worth of 70 lakhs equipment. The Structural Engineering Laboratory facilitates productive innovation and learning. Till now, 19 batch of around 500 postgraduate students have completed their PG degree. The basic aspects of structural testing in structural engineering will serve as a useful starting point for students interested in designing and performing on experimental investigation. The projected is the list of major equipment and list of experiments that are performed in this laboratory, and we have the facility to the following testing in the laboratory: beam test setup with measuring devices, column test setup with measuring devices, beam column joint with measuring devices, shear wall test setup with measuring devices, vertical horizontal autoclaves for accelerated curing of specimens. We have the largest strong floor with 1 meter thick and wide range of testing frames, 50 ton and 200 ton, for testing large scale models and specimens under various loading conditions. This is a testing frame with a maximum loading capacity of 50 ton. With the help of hydraulic jack, loading cells and measuring devices, we can carry out fluxural behavior of RCC beams, slabs and steel beams, and we can do beam column joints. This is another testing frame with a maximum loading capacity of 50 ton. With the help of hydraulic jacks, loading cells and measuring devices, we can carry out static cyclic load testing of beam column joints and shear walls. This test frame with a loading capacity of 200 ton is the maximum capacity test frame in this laboratory. With the help of hydraulic jacks, loading cells and measuring devices, we can carry out axial load testing of columns and large scale shear walls. To lift and place heavy specimens from the test floor and to provide horizontal vertical movements inside the lab, we are having 5-ton motorized crane with 6-meter height. This electrodynamic vibration system with PC-based signal controller has been purchased under AICTE Model of Scheme in the year 2001. This equipment was used to study the behavior of building models subjected to a ground shaking. This equipment was purchased under sponsored research project by Metal Powder Company, Thirumangalam, for the development of lightweight autoclave aerated concrete blocks in the year 2013. Autoclave machine has maximum 15 bar pressure accelerated steam curing for lightweight concrete blocks. Two control panel. This panel controls the steam pressure up to 5 bar, and this panel controls the steam pressure from 5 to 15 bar pressure. Special attention is given to the design and preparation of specimens for various testing. We have a separate casting yard with 1500 square feet area with a curing tank which is created for casting and curing of models. Also, one separate concrete mixer machine is available for casting the specimens, and 1 ton chain pulley is provided for lifting the specimens from curing tank. In this laboratory, we have wide range of measuring devices like data loggers, strain gauge load cells, LVDT, demountable mechanical strain gauges and dial gauges. We have different digital indicators like load indicator, strain indicator and displacement indicator to show the values based on the applied load. Strain gauge load cells convert the loading into electrical signals. The gauges themselves are bonded with structural member that deforms when weight is applied. This is linear variable differential transformer, a common type of electromechanical transducer. LVDT have linear position sensors that can measure movements as small as a few millimeters to several inches. One of the main challenges while doing the testing is collection and recording of data. Data loggers play a crucial role in collecting data and help the researchers to validate their designs. Here we have a 24-channel data logger for collecting data and storing the data for each second. Data loggers are used to monitor multiple signals like temperature, voltage, strain and load. Experimental investigation has proven itself over the years as the most valuable means for engineers to develop knowledge and understanding how structural elements behave under different types of loading. With the help of these extensive facilities, our PG students and PhD research scholars are able to study the behavior of different structural elements. Till now, 12 PhD works have been completed using these laboratory facilities, and 14 research scholars are doing the research currently. This is one of the research work carried out in our laboratory. These 5-story shear wall frames with different infill with and without openings were tested for shear carrying capacity of the shear walls. The newly renovated research lab provides students with a state of practical learning space and the essential facilities needed to produce. The newly renovated research lab provides students with a state-of-the-art practical learning space and the essential facilities needed to introduce them to the fundamentals of dynamic loading and structural engineering research aspects. One of the key aspects of this vibration system is enable the students to learn through visual experiments to deepen their theory ideas. Simulation software is designed to teach basic concepts using a new interactive toolbar. Students can perform virtual experiments on various topics by changing the parameters of a vibratory system and see how the system behavior is affected. A 3-degree of freedom string and 2 counterweight are used to animate the vibration response. It is important to observe that the speed of animation is proportional to the natural frequency of the string mass system.